Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katy, aka Tattooed Mama. I cannot stand that this background is not, like, it's wrinkly. That's like one of my biggest pet peeves when I watch any video and the backdrop is wrinkly. It drives me crazy. I usually film on the other part where I have my wall painted, so I haven't really been doing backdrops, but I filmed a few other videos today, so I wanted to use the glitter background. But anyway, if you guys hear anybody talking, it's my neighbors. They are currently moving, so I apologize. I have the window open because it's really hot in here. But anyway, today I'm going to be unboxing my June Boxycharm, and if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a $21 a month box, and it comes with full-size products, and it's just amazing. I have a link down below if you guys want to check it out. But today's video is going to be a try-on haul. I'm going to be doing the try-on part like separately, but in this video, like I'm saying, I'm going to be filming it tomorrow, so I won't be having this makeup on, or I won't be looking like this. But this just came in the mail today, and I am so excited, and I want to see what's in it. So yeah, if you guys want to see how this product works, and what I got, then just keep watching. Okay, you guys get to see it before I do. So this is what it looks like. So excited. So it's called Boxycharm Getaway. And oh, I got 2 pamphlets. Okay, the first thing that I see is this right here. This is the Skin & Co. Whipped Cleansing Cream, which I recently got the Skin & Co. Radiant Dewy Facial Spray. Oh my gosh, it's so amazing, guys. I love it. But this smells so good. I can already smell it. Oh gosh. Something completely leaked. I'm not quite sure what it is. It doesn't look like this because it is sealed. But this is a whipped polishing cleansing cream with truffle extract. Oh my gosh, this looks like it is amazing. Whipped cleansing cream. Okay, so I am not going to try this on because last month we did get the Glam & Glow face wash, which is amazing. If you guys did not see my last month's Boxycharm unboxing, I will link that above for you guys so you can check it out. But I will be putting this in a giveaway. I have been doing lives on Instagram. I'm going to be doing lives on Facebook and stuff, so I'm going to be doing small little giveaways throughout that. So be sure you always watch my lives, and I will be doing small giveaways during that, so that's what I'll use that for. Next up, I see this right here. This is the Dominique Cosmetics Peach Tea Lipstick, and I'm so excited because I have not tried anything from them. This is in, it says lemonade. So this is a very light color, not something that I would naturally go towards. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Next up, one thing that I'm super excited about is the No Problem Primer, and looks like it's got some, looks like some of the oil leaked from it. Yeah. Well, that stinks. It's like all over. It's because, like, did you see how that wasn't, yeah, that wasn't put on properly, and it's just, a lot of the product has, yeah, a lot of that product has leaked out. So I'm going to probably send them, I'm going to send them a message and let them know that this completely leaked, because that kind of stinks. I was really looking forward to this. So I will try this on, but again, like I said, I'm going to contact them because I would love to have, I already know that I'm most likely going to love this, so it'd be nice to have like a full product, because this is like half gone. So that's not fun. I have it all over my fingers now. But alright, next up are these face masks, which these are the I think these are Wander Beauty Maki Berry Antioxidants. Ooh, sheet mask. And again, I will keep one of these for a giveaway that I will be doing, but super excited to try one of these out. And then Gosh, this is so heavy. This is the last thing in the box. This is the Tarte Pro Glow 3 palette, cheek palette. So they usually have the eyeshadow palettes and stuff in here, and I just am not a fan of the smaller palettes, but this is what this palette looks like. And there's the blush and highlight and contour in there, and that contour is just too deep for my skin tone, and so are those blushes. So overall opinion on this month's box, I don't know, I feel like I was a little bit more excited about last month's, and I was a little more excited this month, like when I saw the spoilers and stuff. But so I like the primer, and I mean the face wash is cool, but I did get a face wash last month, and I just don't know why they keep collaborating with with Tarte. I think they need to switch it up. If they do a Tarte palette, they should do like one of the glittery fun palettes. These face masks are awesome. I'm definitely going to use those up. And the Dominique Cosmetics, the lip product, that is super, super pretty, but I do kind of feel like, I don't know, I think this month it got kind of boring. Last month was so much more exciting, but I am excited to see what they come with next month. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure you hit that bell notification button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Hit that thumbs up button. Also subscribe. What did you guys think about this box? Yeah, let me know down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Toodaloo.